Hey there, it's Richard at Starchive. So a couple of days ago, my co-founder Peter put out a really fun video equating Starchive to GPS for all of your media files. It's a really great concept. It's this idea that allow the GPS to take you where you want to go. Well, he's saying allow Starchive to get you to the file you want when you want it. And why does that matter? Well, we like to say that it is truly the greatest time in history to create content, to be a creator. There is more access to building a tribe, creating a fan base, generating revenue on both Web 2 and Web 3. There's so many opportunities. And yet, it is also the worst possible time in history to manage all this stuff. I mean, we're stuck with legacy platforms and ideas of organization built around folders and naming conventions and hierarchy. And at scale, it just doesn't work. A good friend of mine has been playing with Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, and he has created something like 28,000 images in the last 3 months alone. And frankly, all of them are interesting enough to keep. And it's hard to know when there'll be opportunity for them in the future, but when there is, he'll remember the images, but how will he find them in that kind of scale? I mean, humans can't keep up with this anymore. So we have taken the approach that it's time to completely let go of this idea of human organization and allow the data to build the relationships, the connections between your assets that give you these new insights, these new opportunities, and help you find what you're looking for in the moment. If you haven't tried it yet, come check it out. We'd love to see you at Starchive and look forward to serving you.